box right now. I'm not gonna throw away the things that's like reusable. Like these tomato sauce looking pan kind of thing. I'm gonna throw like that. Or the other stuff that was like reusable. So like maybe we can like put stuff in there. Everything out of the way. Wait. I don't know if you're that. Gosh. Okay. I want to get the limited edition, but like, yeah, that's fine too. Things like that is fine. So, yeah, there it is. Is this openable? Wait, I think it is. It is openable, but there's nothing in it. Isn't there supposed to be something in it though? Because if it's openable, it should be something in it. Okay, that's sad. Anyway, I'm gonna go over some of my favorites. Can I find this one? I'm gonna go over my favorites. Okay, first of all, I love the donut. I love donuts, which is making me hungry right now. Second of all, I love the pineapple. I like pineapples. Who live up SpongeBob SquarePants, who live under the Okay, that reminds me of that, and I like sushi. I think it's sushi at least. Yeah, I think it is, and I love the popsicle. Actually, pineapple, but popsicle's next. And then I like the corn. I like corn, so we're gonna have to move. No, not pineapple again. We'll get the whatever. I think this is soap. I believe this is it's lotion. I don't like eating lotion. This is food right now. And then I would say I like cake. I like cake. And then I like hot dog, which is last. And then all these random stuff. So I would say the twins of this match right now these two. They look so alike. They could be twins. They could be twins. Yeah, I can picture them. So let's move you two. Oh gosh, wait, are you okay? Are you okay, Miss Popsicle Lady? Girl, thingy, bobber. Okay. I like the ring boot. And then that just leaves all these. I don't hate them, but I would say I like this. I like this guy. The rain boot matches with. They can stand poses together. And I like the birthday cake. So as I was saying before, I really like the donut and I like the birthday cake, but okay, so the first one's obviously the donut. I'm very hungry right now. Okay, so I think these are like, okay, let's look on the list. No, wait, is it on bakery? I don't know. Wait, it's on fruit. Yeah. Cool. Okay, fruit. And yes, it is on fruit. I have trouble talking. I really want to get Strawberry Kiss though next time. And then the other one is that we got is did we get one from bakery now? Okay. I think even the boxes are for the what's it called? So which one really hidden to get into them and get the bag. They are. I didn't even know they can open before. I just tested it. And boom, they could open. Surprise. So let's just get all the Shopkins alone. And I think we'll do rainbow, okay? We'll do rainbow. So red, pink, rainbow our version. Blue, purple, yellow, green, and then sauce can. And then let's get all these. We'll get you in the picture even. You just want. We'll get you. Let's get you on here. And you in there. Let's get you and you together. And look. At all the Shopkins together. In harmony and peace and stuff. Okay. That will be all for today. So hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you want me to do next, and